Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show how to connect NovProxy in AntiDetect browser. So before we start video, if you don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. Link description below. So let's start it. This is the NovProxy site. You need to first log in this NovProxy account, then go dashboard. So I will connect short-term residential proxy. So open first AX browser and create profile. Blank page, profile name premium financial. Then next select Socks5. Now go NovProxy site, select short-term residential IP account and password mode. If you need any country of proxy, you can select there. I need United States and specific Florida state. Then query IP pool. See Florida, then extract proxy. Go useless list. See the by time 2 p.m. Copy the proxy and Socks5 select, paste the proxy, then check the proxy live or dead. See proxy is connected, create profile, then open now. See United States of America are connected. So check proxy or .NET, and I will tell you something. If you buy at good price, then join my Telegram. And if you need any other service like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, casino support, then feel free to join my Telegram.